Do you struggle to keep your home organized and efficient? Our homes, those personal spaces we cherish so much, are often the center of our daily hustle and bustle. Amidst this chaos, we're always seeking ways to make our lives easier, more organized, and yes, a bit more cost-effective. So imagine having a set of ingenious hacks at your disposal, ready to revolutionize your daily routine. Intrigued? You should be. Stay tuned to learn about genius home hacks that completely changed my life and can do the same for you. Did you know that baking soda isn't just for baking? It's a hidden gem in your pantry that works wonders around the house. This unassuming white powder can tackle stubborn stains on your countertops, sinks, and even cookware. Just make a paste with water, apply, and watch the magic happen. And that's not all. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer, perfect for freshening up your fridge or trash can. So next time you have a stubborn stain, reach for the baking soda. Ever struggled with tangled cables and cords? Here's a hack for you. Gather up those toilet paper rolls that you're about to toss out. They're about to become your new best friend. Simply slide each cable or cord into a toilet paper roll. It's as easy as that. Not only does this give your cables and cords their own designated space, but it also keeps them untangled and easy to find. So don't throw away those rolls. Repurpose them and say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to organized bliss. Did you know vinegar isn't just for cooking? It's a versatile ingredient, one that can transform your home cleaning routine. Regular white vinegar has acetic acid, making it an excellent tool for tackling grimy windows and stubborn mold. Swap out your window cleaner with a vinegar water mix and witness the magic. For mold, a neat vinegar spray can make a world of difference. Just remember to rinse well. So the next time you're shopping, grab an extra bottle of vinegar. With vinegar, your windows will sparkle like never before. Ever wonder what to do with your leftover coffee grounds? Well, here's a genius hack. Coffee grounds make an excellent natural fertilizer for your plants. They are rich in nitrogen, which is a crucial nutrient for plant growth. Plus, they improve soil structure and attract beneficial earthworms. And let's not forget about the environmental and economic benefits. Reusing coffee grounds reduces waste and saves you money on commercial fertilizers. So, don't throw away those coffee grounds, your plants will thank you. Running out of space to hang your towels? Well, let's turn that old ladder into a stylish and practical towel rack. Start by cleaning and polishing your ladder, then secure it horizontally to the wall. And voila! You've created a unique towel rack that not only saves space but adds a rustic touch to your bathroom decor. You can also hang other lightweight items like scarves or jewelry. It's a creative way to repurpose something you might have otherwise discarded. Who knew a ladder could be so versatile? And those were the genius home hacks that changed my life. From using the magic of baking soda to clean and deodorize various areas of your home, to organizing all those pesky cables with toilet paper rolls. We've also explored the wonders of vinegar as a cleaning agent, and discovered how used coffee grounds can be repurposed as an effective fertilizer for your plants. And who could forget the innovative use of a ladder as a chic and functional towel rack? Each of these hacks not only saves time, but also helps you save money by utilizing items you likely already have on hand. They're practical, easy to implement, and can truly transform your everyday life. So why not give them a try? Don't forget to share your experiences and any other genius hacks you might have up your sleeve. Remember, every small change can make a big difference. Happy hacking!